Hi, let me show you how to enable, disable, and use circle to search feature on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, we need to go in settings, then find display, and here search for the feature circle to search. So it should be placed in the navigation bar, so let's just pick navigation bar first, and here it is. If you want to use it, then make sure that it is turned on, so the switch is blue here. And now, if you have buttons, navigation, then to trigger circle to search, you need to press and hold home button like that. Let's switch to swipe gestures to see the line. And here you need to hold that line to trigger circle to search feature. So now let me show you how it works. Basically, you can trigger the feature and circle around the object you want to search for, or just tap it. You can crop it, use two fingers to zoom and pan the image, and Google will give you similar results. You can also search for your photo, for example. So I'm gonna just highlight this text and let's do it again, maybe smaller. And yep, as you can see, it gives me the result that it is quick start guide. You can also do this in TikTok, on Instagram, something like that, to search for the clothes or for animals, just wherever you want to. Also, you can use here this translator, so you can tap translate and immediately translate it to different language. So yeah, this is really cool and helpful feature which could be handy in daily use. Now to disable, just go back in the same setting and toggle off the switch. And after that, you won't be able to use it. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.